Claude AI just beat ChatGPT in every single writing test, and most people have never even heard of it. In the next 8 minutes you will learn exactly why Claude is different, how to use it properly, and the advanced features that make it better than ChatGPT for specific tasks. If you use AI for work, this could change everything. First, what exactly is Claude AI? Claude is made by a company called Anthropic. It is a direct competitor to ChatGPT. But here is the key difference. ChatGPT is optimized for being helpful and fast. Claude is optimized for being thoughtful and accurate. Think of it this way. ChatGPT is like a very smart assistant who gives you quick answers. Claude is like a very careful expert who thinks before speaking. This makes Claude better for 3 specific use cases. Number 1, long-form writing. Number 2, complex analysis. Number 3, tasks where accuracy matters more than speed. The interface is clean and simple. Just a chat box. No distractions, no complicated menus. You type your question and Claude responds. Setting up Claude is simple. Go to Claude AI. Click Sign Up. You can use your Google account or email. The free plan gives you access to Claude Sonnet, which is their mid-tier model. It is more than enough for most people. Once signed in, the interface appears. Clean and minimal. Just a text box ready for your prompt. Here is the first power tip. Claude has a much larger context window than ChatGPT free. This means you can paste entire documents, long emails, or multiple pages of text, and Claude will remember all of it throughout your conversation. For example, paste a 20-page document, then ask questions about it. Claude remembers every detail. ChatGPT free would lose context after a few exchanges. This is a massive advantage for research and document analysis. Now the 3 things Claude does better than any other AI. Use case 1. Long-form writing. Ask Claude to write a professional blog post about AI productivity. The result is structured, nuanced content. The writing does not sound generic, it sounds thoughtful. This is because Claude was trained specifically to avoid generic AI writing patterns. The tone is naturel. The ideas are well developed. This is perfect for blog posts, reports, articles, and any content where quality matters more than speed. Use case 2. Dokumentanalysis. Pass the 18-page research paper into Claude. Then ask Claude to summarize the key findings and identify any logical flaws in the argument. The analysis is detailed and insightful. ChatGPT would give a surface-level summary. Claude gives actual critical thinking. It identifies assumptions. It questions weak arguments. It provides depth. This is exceptional for students, researchers, and anyone analyzing complex documents. Use case 3. Coding with explanation. Ask Claude to write a Python script, but also ask it to explain every single line like you are a beginner. The code works perfectly, but more importantly, the explanation is clear and educational. Claude breaks down each function, each variable, each logic step. You do not just get working code, you actually understand what the code does and why it works. Now 3 advanced tips most people do not know about Claude. Tip 1. Use Claude for editing, not just creation. Paste your rough draft and ask Claude to make it more concise, more professional, or more casual. Claude is exceptional at rewriting. It improves clarity without losing your original voice. This is perfect for emails, presentations, and any writing that needs polish. Tip 2. Ask Claude to think step by step. Add this phrase to your prompts. Think through this step by step before answering. This makes Claude significantly more accurate. It breaks down complex problems. It considers multiple angles. It catches errors before committing to an answer. This one phrase dramatically improves output quality. Tip 3. Give Claude examples. If you want a specific writing style, show Claude 2 or 3 examples of that style first, then ask it to match that style. The results are incredible. Claude learns patterns from your examples and replicates them perfectly. And here is the most important tip. Claude admits when it does not know something. If you ask ChatGPT a question it does not know, it will often make something up confidently. Claude will tell you, "I do not have enough information to answer that accurately." This makes Claude far more trustworthy for research and professional work. Quick recap. Claude AI is made by Anthropic. It is optimized for thoughtful, accurate responses instead of just speed. The 3 best use cases are long-form writing, document analysis, and coding with explanations. The 3 advanced tips are: use it for editing, ask it to think step by step, and give it examples of your desired output. Is Claude better than ChatGPT? For creative writing, deep analysis, and tasks where accuracy matters, yes, absolutely. For quick general questions, ChatGPT is still faster. Use both. They are tools with different strengths. If this tutorial helped you, hit the like button. Subscribe to AI Tools Hub for weekly AI tool tutorials. Next week, Perplexity AI Deep Dive. Drop a comment below. Are you Team ChatGPT or Team Claude? Thanks for watching.